All right, y'all, we back on the next one this morning. So, wife's done started staining this. I got the metal here. She's done started staining these this morning for me. In a little while, we're gonna get some metal out and start cutting them, putting the metal in. I also started the back wall, getting ready to start framing it. I got one 2x6 in there. We're gonna put another one on the right side of it. And like I said, we're gonna use 8-foot pickets, fence pickets. We bought 8-footers. We're gonna put 8-footers across the back wall right here. Also, yesterday evening, I come out here and started the top on the bar. That's kind of where I'm at with it. I just burned it a little bit and put some wood putty on it. I got to sand it down. I've got some glaze coat. It's pretty much just a clear coat, epoxy 2-part mixture. We're gonna put that on top of it, but that's gonna be later on. That's probably gonna be, so that's what we got for that. We're gonna do that probably towards the end of this because there's so much sawdust and whatnot, and like I said, so I'll bring y'all back here in a little bit. We're gonna get that back wall framed, and we'll bring you back when we start putting the pickets on. I'm letting this dry right here, and then we're gonna start cutting some metal and putting it in there. All right, y'all, so this is where we're at. I hadn't done that side yet. I'm gonna get to that in a little bit, but that's the idea right there. I think it come out pretty good. We're gonna do the left side of it next. My wife's got this stained out for me. We'll be putting some metal on here in a little while. Yeah, it's coming along. We got one stud out. We got to put another one in and start putting the pickets on that side. That's where we're at. Got my lovely 2 assistants right here with me. Alright, y'all. This is what we got done today so far. That back wall, got the metal up on it. Metal done out here in the front. Yeah, I'm liking it a lot. I know the wife likes it. So that the back come out really nice. That's our back wall. Tomorrow I'm gonna work on the top of the bar. See what we can get done putting that glaze coat on. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. Like I said, right here we're gonna put that TV on that post, that center post right there, so we can sit back here at the bar or over here where our lounge area is and watch a little TV. She come out here, she's helped me out today and worked real hard, and she stained everything for me. Looks good. So yeah. Yep. Looking good, looking good. Appreciate y'all checking it out. And we'll get y'all back out tomorrow a little bit, and we'll work on that top. Appreciate you watching.